Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not installed. On Duolingo you will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about the application of Duolingo and you will enter. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about Duolingo. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.